Alright, so we are back. Now, I've made a little bit of progress on the RC boat build. Now, these, I guess, side pieces, side rails, whatever you want to call it, the side of the boat, are taking a little longer than I expected, but as far as what I see, it's coming along really nicely. The only problem that I did have was the side pieces from here to the end of it weren't long enough. So what I did is I made a extender piece, a tail section, cut some spaces to put on the inside. That way I could use some epoxy and basically just epoxy these spaces on from the inside, more as like a gusset material. So I did that, and that turned it into about just shy of 1.2 meters long, and I got lucky. Everything lined up well, and I think with just a little bit of epoxy in the gaps, it should work out really well. I also cut some of these little side pieces here. These actually go inside the little side skirts of the boat, and I am not yet sure if I'm going to put some lightning holes in there or not. We'll soon see. I think I can get away with probably, if I do, I've got 4 pieces in each of the side skirts. So I think I should be able to get away with probably saving maybe 150 grams, or maybe a little bit less, maybe 100 grams. But if you look at it, so that's basically almost, give or take, 500 grams combined for both sides. So it's, you know, it's saving some sort of weight. I am going to put foam. I'm not going to fill the thing completely with foam because I don't have it, but I'm going to just put some foam section all the way in the bottom, down below, just like that. So all this here will be foam. I'll just probably just glue it in, maybe with just some hot glue. It doesn't really have to be structural because it's going to be cut to size, and once this is all glued up and fiberglassed completely, it probably will never be able to come back out. So I know these build videos are probably not as, I guess, not so much detailed, but not a lot of building going on, and that's just because it's just taken a lot of time. So if you like this video and you like what you see, please do subscribe, please do comment. Any negative feedback is always welcome, same as positive. And believe it or not, people that watch my videos and people that comment actually give a lot of motivation for me to come out here and continue on with these builds. It's been a long few days, long nights, early mornings, just to get pieces glued up, because this epoxy takes about 16 hours to dry. So I really want to get a jump on it. So, again, thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see everyone in the next video.